Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for social science for standard 6, chapter number 11, that is Landforms. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, Mount Satpura of India is a block type of mountain. It's option number B. Second, the land area surrounded by mountain ranges from all sides is called an intermontane plateau. That's option number A. Third, the flat land mass having about approximately up to 180 meter height above sea level is called plain. It's option number D. Fourth, the Wang Ho plain is a depositional type of plain. It's option number B. Fifth, on the basis of formation process, mountains are divided into how many types? It's option number C, 4. Sixth, which of the following is a fold mountain? It's option number A, Alps. Seventh, which of the following is a fold mountain? It's option number B, Himalayas. Eighth, which of the following is a fold mountain? It's option number A, Rocky. Ninth, in which continent is the fold mountain named Mount Andes located? It's option number D, South America. 10th, Mount Host of Germany is a mountain of which type? It's option number B, block mountain. 11th, which of the following is a block mountain? It's option number B, Nilgiri. 12th, which of the following is a block mountain? It's option number C, Nilgiri. 13th, which of the following is a block mountain? It's option number D, Vindhya. 14th, which of the following is a volcanic mountain? It's option number A, Vesuvius. 15th, which of the following is a volcanic mountain? It's option number D, Fujiyama. 16th, which type of mountain is Mount Cotopaxi? It's option number B, volcanic mountain. 17th, which type of mountain is Mount Barron? It's option number A, volcanic mountain. 18th, which of the following is a volcanic mountain? It's option number B, Pavagadh. 19th, which of the following is a volcanic mountain? It's option number D, Girnar. 20, which of the following is a residual mountain? It's option number A, Aravali. 21, which of the following is a residual mountain? It's option number C, Nilgiri. 22, which of the following is a residual mountain? It's option number B, Parasnath. 23, which of the following is a residual mountain? It's option number B, Rajmahal. 24, which type of mountain is Eastern Ghats? It's option number B, residual mountain. 25, mountains are the place of origin of rivers. It's option number B. 26, what type of plateau is the Tibetan plateau? It's option number C, intermontane plateau. 27, what type of plateau is the Mongolian plateau? It's option number A, intermontane plateau. 28, the region that has a straight slope on one side in the foothills of a mountain is called Piedmont Plateau. It's option number B. 29, which type of a plateau is the Patagonian Plateau? It's option number A, Piedmont Plateau. 30, in which country is the Malwa Plateau located? It's option number C, India. 31, in which country is the Piedmont Plateau located? It's option number D, USA. 32, which type of plateau is the lava plateau of Maharashtra? It's option number C, continental plateau. 33, which type of plateau is the Brazilian plateau? It's option number B, continental plateau. 34, which type of a plateau is the Arabistan plateau? It's option number D, continental plateau. 35, for which crop is the fertile lava soil of a plateau favorable? It's option number B, cotton. 36, from which Indian plateau are precious minerals like iron, manganese, gold, etc. obtained? It's option number A, Chota Nagpur. 37, for what are the slopes of a plateau very important? It's option number C, cattle rearing. 38, which type of plain is the Lombardy plain of Italy? It's option number B, depositional. 39, the Kashmir Valley of India is an example of which type of plain? It's option number D, lacustrine plain. 40, the Valley of Manipur state in India is an example of which type of plain? It's option number A, lacustrine plain. 41, the low-lying region situated between two mountain ranges is known as a valley. It's option number C. 42. What is the narrow strip of water connecting two large water masses called? It's option number D, strait. 43. What is the narrow strip of land separating two large water masses called? It's option number C, isthmus. Now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, mountains have more than 900 meters height above the sea level. Second, the Himalayas of India is a fold type of mountain. Third, the Alps of Europe is a fold type of mountain. Fourth, the Rocky Mountain is situated in North America. Fifth, Mount Andes is a fold type of mountain. Sixth, Mount Horst is of Germany is the best example of a block mountain. Seventh, Mount Vindhya of India is a block type of mountain. Eighth, Mount Nilgiri of India is a block type of mountain. Ninth, Mount Vesuvius of Italy is a volcano mountain. 10th, Mount Cotopaxi of Ecuador is a volcano mountain. 11th, Fujiyama volcano is situated in Japan. 12th, Mount Barren, that is Andaman of India, is a volcano type of mountain. 13th, Mount Pavagadh of Gujarat is a volcano mountain. 14th, Mount Parasnath of India is a residual mountain. 15th, the Eastern Ghats of India is an example of residual mountain. 16th, Mount Aravalli of India is a residual mountain. 17th, mountains are the places of origin of rivers. 18th, mountains are like blessings to the tourism industry, the film industry, and for mountaineers. 19th, Mount Girnar of India is an example of volcanic mountain. 20th, mountains is the dwelling for 1/10 of the total population of the world. 21. The Tibetan Plateau is an intermontane plateau. 22. The Mongolian Plateau is an intermontane plateau. 23. The Patagonian Plateau of South America is an example of Piedmont Plateau. 24. Piedmont Plateau is situated in USA. 25. The Malwa Plateau in India is an excellent example of Piedmont Plateau. 26. The Brazilian Plateau is a continental plateau. 27. The Arabistan Plateau is a continental plateau. 28. The Greenland Plateau is a continental plateau. 29. The Antarctica Plateau is a continental plateau. 30. Plains formed due to erosion are called erosional plains. 31. The Ganga-Yamuna Plain of India is a depositional type of plain. 32. The Lombardy Plain formed by the Po River of Italy is an exclusive example of alluvial plain. 33. The Kashmir Valley and the Manipur Valley in India are examples of depositional plains. 34. The depressed area situated between the mountain ranges is called a valley. 35. The narrow strip of water connecting two large water masses is called a isthmus. 36. The Park Strait is situated between India and Sri Lanka. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, Himalayas is a fold mountain, it is true. Second, Andes mountain range in North America is a fold mountain, it is false. Third, the Rocky Mountain of North America is a fold mountain, it is true. Fourth, a fold mountain is also known as a host, it is false. Fifth, Mount Vindhya of India is a block mountain, it is true. Sixth, Mount Satpura of India is a volcanic mountain, it is false. Seventh, a volcanic mountain has a conical shape, it is true. Eighth, Mount Fujiyama of Japan is a volcanic mountain, it is true. Ninth, Mount Vesuvius of India is a volcanic mountain, it is false. 10th, Mount Girnar of Gujarat is a volcanic mountain, it is true. 11th, Mount Aravalli of India is a block mountain, it is false. 12th, Mount Eastern Ghats in India is a residual mountain, it is true. 13th, Aravalli and Pavagadh mountains in India are volcanic mountains, it is false. 14th, the Tibetan Plateau is a Piedmont Plateau, it is false. 15th, the Mongolian Plateau is an intermontane plateau, it is true. 16th, the Patagonian Plateau in South America is a continental plateau, it is false. 17th, the Piedmont Plateau is situated in USA, it is true. 18th, The Malwa Plateau of India is a Piedmont Plateau, it is true. 19th. The Brazilian Plateau is a continental plateau, it is true. 20. Precious minerals are found from Chota Udaipur Plateau of India, it is false. 21. The Ganga Yamuna plain in India is an alluvial plain, it is true. 22. The Yangtze plain in North China is a structural, that is constructional plain, it is false. 23. The Kashmir Valley of India is a lacustrine plain, it is true. 24. The water mass surrounded by land from three sides is called gulf, it is true. 25. The narrow strip of water connecting two large water masses is called strait, it is true. 26. The narrow strip of land separating two large water masses is called a cape, it is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First section, first one, Himalaya, it's option number 5, fold mountain. Second, Satpura, it's option number 4, block mountain. Third, Aravalli, it's option number 2, residual mountain. Fourth, Pavagad, it's option number 1, volcanic mountain. Now second part, first one, Alps, it's option number 3, fold mountain. Second, Vindhya, it's option number 1, block mountain. Third, Fujiyama, it's option number 5, volcanic mountain. Fourth, Parasnath, it's option number 2, residual mountain. Third part, first one, Rocky, it's option number 2, fold mountain. Second, Host, it's option number 4, block mountain. Third, Girnar, it's option number 1, volcanic mountain. Fourth, Rajmahal, it's option number 5, residual mountain. Now question number 5, that is recognize me. First one, I am surrounded by land from three sides, it's gulf. Second, my end extends out into sea up to a certain extent, it is cape. Third, I am known as an island, it is a piece of land surrounded by water from all sides. Fourth, I connect two water areas, it is strait. Fifth, I have sea on my three sides and land on one side, it is peninsula. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer in one or two sentences. First one, which factors contribute to the formation of landforms? Tectonic factors like earthquake, volcano, tsunami, and external factors like river, wind, glacier, sea waves, etc. contribute to the formation of landforms. Second, which are the main characteristics to identify landforms? There are three main characteristics to identify landforms. First, specific height. Second, slope. And third, specific shape. Third one, what are the main types of landforms? There are three main types of landforms. First, mountains. Second, plateaus. And third, plains. Fourth, what is meant by a block mountain? Give an example. Due to diastrophian, the tensional forces are created and faults develop in the rock strata. The area in between two faults is raised or the central part remains stable and surrounding areas are submerged, so the remnant high land is called block mountain. Example, Horst of Germany. Fifth one, what is meant by a volcanic mountain? Give an example. When a volcanic eruption takes place, dust particles, ash, rocks, pebbles, and hot lava are thrown out. A conical hill is formed from these materials. It is known as volcanic mountain. Example, Fujiyama of Japan, Vesuvius of Italy, Barron, Pavagad, Girnar, etc. of India. Sixth one, what is meant by a Piedmont plateau? Give an example. Landmass having straight slope on one side in a foothill region of a mountain is called Piedmont Plateau. Example, Patagonia of South America, Malwa Plateau of India. Seventh, what is meant by a continental plateau? Give an example. A land area which is suddenly uplifted due to tectonic movements is called a continental plateau. Sometimes the lava strata condenses at a higher region and forms a continental plateau. Example, the plateau of Arabistan, that is Arabia. Eighth one, state the types of a plateau. First one, intermontane plateau. Second, Piedmont plateau. And third, continental plateau are the types of plateau. Ninth one, what is meant by an erosional plain? Give an example. The plain which is formed due to the factors of erosional work of mountains, plateaus, rivers, glaciers, etc. is called erosional plain. Example, the plains of western Siberia. 10th one, what is meant by a depositional plain? Given example, the river, glacier and wind transport alluvium from one place to another and it is deposited in the lower regions of a lake or a sea. The plain thus formed is called depositional plain. Example, Ganga Yamuna plain. 11th, what is meant by a bay? Given example, bay means a partial part of the water body of an ocean. It holds a large open lake like shape around a land mass. The Bay of Bengal in India is the best example of it. 12th one, what is meant by a gulf? Given example, when watery area is surrounded by the land from three sides, it is called gulf. Example, Gulf of Kutch. 13th, what is called a landform? The land area which has different heights, has a special shape and has a slopy terrain is called landform. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Explain the following terms. First one is cape. Cape is a perpendicular end of land that extends into the water body. It also can be known as sea line. Second, island. A piece of land that is surrounded by water from all four sides is known as an island. Third one, valley. Low-lying regions among the mountain ranges. At the time of formation of fold mountains and block mountains, erosion takes place due to the flowing of rivers or glaciers. As a result, valley is created. Fourth one, strait. A narrow piece of sea that joins two larger water areas is called a strait. Fifth one, isthmus. A narrow piece of land which separates two water areas is called isthmus. Sixth one, peninsula. A piece of land which is surrounded by sea from three sides and connected with land on one side is called peninsula. Now we'll continue with question number 8, that is answer the following questions briefly. First one is, what is meant by a mountain? Which are its main types? A mountain is that land area which has about 900 meters or more height above sea level. Its terrain is mostly undulating and it has narrow summits. On the basis of the process of formation, there are four types of mountains. First one, fold mountains. Second, block mountains. Third, volcanic mountains. And fourth, residual mountains. Second one, state the difference between a mountain and a plateau. A mountain is that land area which has about 900 meters or more height above sea level with gentle or abrupt slope. A plateau island area generally with height higher than 180 meters but lower than 900 meters above the sea level and has proportionally wide flat land at its top. Third one, why are the mountains different from one another? Mountains are formed due to the action, counteraction, and interaction of natural physical factors in the interior of the earth. The impact of one or more actions and processes is seen in the origin and development of mountains. That is why mountains are different with reference to their various aspects. Fourth one, what are plains? How are plains formed? Explain. The flat land with less than 180 meters height from sea level is known as a plain. Most of the plains of the world are formed by the alluvium soil deposited by rivers. Besides, some plains are also formed by wind, volcano and glaciers. Fifth one, what is called a residual mountain? Give examples. Residue means left over in general. Sometimes deep and long valleys are formed on level land at higher altitude due to the erosional work of natural factors. The remnant higher area around those valleys remains as a highland and that is known as residual mountain. Example, Aravalli, Parasnath, Rajmahal, Eastern Ghats, etc. in India. Now we'll continue with question number 9, that is write a short note. First one is about block mountain. Due to the diatrophism, the tensional forces are created and faults develop in the rock strata. The area in between two faults is raised or the central part remains stable and surrounding areas are submerged. So the remnant highland is called block mountain. The Horst mountain of Germany is considered to be its best example. So this type of mountain is called Horst mountain. Nilgiri, Satpura, Vindhya, etc. of India are block mountains. Second one, importance of a plateau. The lavaik soil of Plateau is fertile and it is very favorable for cotton crop. Precious minerals like iron, manganese and gold are found from the ancient solid rocks of the plateaus. For example, Chota Nagpur Plateau of India. Slopes of these plateaux are very important for cattle rearing and also useful for tourism and film industry. Third one, importance of a plain. Places of human habitation and trade commerce are established in the fertile plains. Flat plains have proved more useful for road routes and rail routes. Cities having dense population are situated in the plains. Fertile land is more useful for farm production. Farm produce supplies raw material for the industries. And here we come to the end of the chapter number 11, that is landform. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.